We're back.
We are
ladies.
back with some more hat in
Just the
time.
ladies.
Just the ladies.
Gentlemen, fuck off.
Yeah,
Ladies.
get out. The door's over there.
Ladies, we're back with a more hat in time action. Do anything for you?
Oh, man.
All
It's
right.
our room.
We're back, and we're blue.
We're blue.
Dabba dee.
Dabba da.
I don't want to be blue.
You don't want to be blue?
No.
Okay. We do that in the closet, no? That we were in the room?
Oh, was it the closet?
Oh, no, we can do it from our inventory.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah. Just on a whim. The Blood Moon one was really cool.
I do remember super enjoying that
I
one.
do remember we didn't enjoy the last one. The pie, whatever.
The pie.
The pie, I don't know, the pink and white one.
Pink and white.
Yeah.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, the cookie dough.
I remember that one.
Yeah, we did
being so
not
pleasant.
enjoy it too much.
Where was this? Down here.
Yeah, the last room?
Not the last room. This one.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I forgot about this. Yeah.
Yeah, we totally skipped through this.
Just,
What's all this? Whoa.
It's leaking.
Pictures of my ship.
A cactus
guess.
with a smile.
Oh my god, I love that. It's a frown,
No.
actually. Whoa, what is this?
Ooh, Secret World?
Oh, I can't. Whoa.
Well, we have 30.
Oh, it's baby. Oh my god.
It's
Baby
DLC.
I want all of
Arctic
this so badly.
Cruise. Yeah.
Okay. This is dangerous. What else is in here? Anything I can talk to? Can I talk to you guys?
Just some
What
carpets.
about this?
I think that's for the DLC. Dirty Laundry Cleaner 3000. Wow.
Well, that's nice.
Whoa, doorway.
Is this where we're supposed to go? Oh,
Probably not, but get back in there.
Wait. What's all this up here?
Plants. We are plant dads in this
Is that
game,
shit
apparently.
there? Whoa, that seems really far away.
Yeah, it is. It's like the next room or something.
Whoa, this is weird. Am I supposed to be up here? Fire!
Fire. All right, up to the doorway.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Let's see what this is about.
This might be the way to go. Oh yeah. Whoa! What?
I mean, it wasn't a bad thing that you missed it.
That was weird.
Is this? We've seen this in like a vision after a mission before.
Yeah, this is see, yeah. This is where we gotta be. That was so weird.
Oh, it's a whole world.
Alpine skyline.
Oh, it's a whole world.
Free roam. Do whatever you like. Oh my god.
Oh, really?
Whoa.
What?
What magical adventure have we gotten ourselves into now?
It's the Matterhorn. This
Oh,
is. This looks like just the Matterhorn.
I hope. Oh my god, a Yeti. That would be so cool.
Ooh. Oh, this looks so good.
What is this?
This is just free roam, I guess.
Here, I'm gonna turn the television up.
Yeah.
Shit's getting spoopy. What are these?
Something going down on the side of the map right there?
Oh, was there?
Maybe?
Oh.
Oh.
No. That doesn't.
There's a hole down there though.
Where? To the
Like
left?
below us? Yeah. Where there's a hole, there's a goal. Oh, nope, I'm a liar.
There was no goal and no hole. Only pain. I mean, you're doing it right though. Just free roam.
Yeah.
We got hearts already. Look at that.
Yeah, because we already injured ourselves.
The game was like, oh fuck, these guys are not prepared. No,
Eggs.
I want to step on them. I'm gonna scoot about. I
Ooh.
gotta remember, it's been so long
Scooting
since I
around
played this
at
game.
the speed. Dude, it's been forever, but goddamn.
I gotta remember. Ooh, a bench.
Bench. Nice
Small
view.
on a bench. Small on a bench. The music didn't slow down.
No.
Huh.
Hmm.
I think that's the first time it's ever done that. Not done that. Is there something up there? No.
Nah. We just gotta cross this suspicious looking bridge.
Easy. Bang dong.
Nice. Whoa.
Made it.
Nice.
Whoa.
That's the bell.
I just don't remember it being so foggy outside.
Yeah, it did get kind of foggy.
Whoa!
Whoa, spider.
Got me. Fuck.
You
That's
jumped.
what I get for scooting. Yeah, I knew what button to push.
Ooh.
Nice.
We just need more hearts.
Okay.
Free roam? Question mark.
This is not too bad. Bling.
Ah.
Fucking bitch.
You're getting too greedy with the scoots.
Yeah,
The spit. Yeah, the spit right there, right there, right
I
there.
see it.
Just run left. Just run around it. Oop. There you go.
I gotta kill him. I got a mighty neat. Whoa.
It's a statue of
Oh,
someone.
wow. They look like an elephant, kind of, not really. Please,
Yeah, more or
hearts.
less. Oh, all three.
That's good.
This might not be though. Hit it.
Oh, but there's so much shit. Oh, there's multiple.
Oh.
Alright, I'll hit all.
Interesting.
Okay. Indian burial ground level. Oh my goodness. What are we getting ourselves into?
We're getting ourselves into the free roam apparently.
I'm scared.
Yeah. For good reason. You should be. We should both be scared. Ooh, there's a rope going up.
Okay.
Oh.
Woo! Oh, I'm not actually moving. It's just,
Holy shit. We're going to space.
no way.
I mean, we're just going up.
Something gonna happen. Oh, that's spooky.
What? Oh, what?
Whoa, we're in the Himalayas.
We are in the heavens. We're literally going to the heavens.
Oh my god.
There's a timepiece up there. I see it.
Oh, there is?
It looks like it to the left.
To the left.
Yeah.
Where? Like up front to the
Right.
left?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
What the fuck? Do we get to explore this whole section?
This is expansive. Woo!
Okay.
Graceful landing.
Just jumps off. Let's do it again.
Oh, now there's like actual hello
NPCs.
Much about the goats up here, but we tried to give them a wide berth.
What?
If you
they're probably
get in
just gonna
their way,
knock
they,
off.
tend to be a bit pushy.
Knock us off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for the heads up. You are so cute.
Yeah.
What are you?
Smash or
So
pass?
Smash.
Smash. The hay bales.
Oh,
Money.
money indeed. Oh, this feels nice.
This is so cool.
Oh,
Nice. I see you.
oh, I don't think I can. What about this?
Oh, it's a bounce pad. Lovely.
Okay, so they look like chimney caps.
Yes.
Whoa. Oh, hey!
This. Hey, it's our
sucker!
friend.
Is of value.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
That's a good one. Let's get that one.
I think we should do the mumble badge just for the Lego game factor.
Fair argument. You know, I mentioned to you off camera already, but for
Yes.
anyone else interested, I've been watching Star Wars with my boyfriend, and it's been a lot of fun. I have a little bit of Star Wars know-how from playing the Lego games, but that know-how is very limited and vague. Twilight Belt.
It's
thanks.
all gestures.
Yeah, so I know what happens and I know what people look like and where they're at in Star Wars, but I don't know
What they're saying.
what is happening here. in
We're
fact.
clipping through the
Can
texture.
thank you, Jesus. So yeah, I watched the. Oh, that's not a sproing.
Blow those
I
horns
watched the
to
second
open up
episode.
some new routes.
Are you bad?
Blow those horns. Yeah, maybe a bomb.
So yeah, I've been watching Star Wars with my boyfriend, and it's very funny finally learning the context to Lego Star Wars like 10 years later.
Oh, maybe do it from up top.
is just not.
No, you can do it from the second floor. Because she says, the other NPC says, blow those horns.
Oh.
So blow them up. You're very inaccurate.
Oh, I think this is.
Oh, blow that horn to open up new routes. This area has so many vertical areas.
Yeah, it's very.
Whoa! The heavens.
Of course. I like that.
Oh shit.
We're getting all of the new areas. We're
Yeah.
getting all of the new areas.
Wait, so there was a blue one, there was a purple one, there was a yellow one, and there's a green one.
And we came from the red one.
Yes.
Oh, no, we didn't.
We didn't. God. There's 5 whole areas to explore.
You've cleared Go Village.
Cool.
Yeah.
We did.
Beat the
More
level.
horns ourselves. Up this high, the air is really thin. It's hard for us
Oh,
to
'cause they're
take deep enough
small.
breaths. It doesn't seem to bother you, though.
Well, I'm a space woman.
Yeah, we are.
Okay. What color do we want to be?
Yellow.
Fuck. Yes.
It just jumps off the map.
I hit square.
It's to the left. It's to the left.
But there's shit up here. Oh,
How
I
are you
can't
gonna
do
get it? Oh, like
this.
that, I guess. Ooh, money.
Oh, red.
Alright.
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow is to the left side of this island.
Was it?
Yes.
Okay. What's this?
Money.
Oh. To the left.
Yeah.
Can we get a new yarn? I wonder.
I don't know if that's
There's a
new, but we can grab it.
Time stop yarn.
Whoa.
That is
That is
absolutely
new.
What's up, glitchy boy? Let's fucking
We
make a hat.
definitely
How
have
do you
enough
make a-
yarn to make it.
How
That
there.
one.
Nice.
Holy crap.
Time stop.
New hat.
Death is inevitable. Your time is valuable. Press L2 to slow down
Death
time.
is inevitable for us. Wow, it's a
What the
little. It's got a veil like over her eyes.
Is that what that was?
Yeah.
Weird.
Oh, and it slows down the music. That's cool.
That was so weird.
Does it have anything to do with that pillar to our left?
What pillar?
That pillar right there. To your
That?
right. That. Yeah.
I think this is. Oh, I don't know. What the
That's your beam attack.
fuck? From what?
Yeah.
How long have I had this?
You just got that badge.
I did?
Yeah. What did it replace? It replaced something.
Oh.
As far as our
right.
badges.
What don't we have? Oh, we don't have a scoot. Oh no.
The
we do.
no bonk, I think. Oh no, the magnet. It replaced the magnet.
Oh, we don't really need that.
Yeah.
This is way cooler.
True. Alright, so yellow is right in front of us.
The Twilight Bell. We're not going to the Twilight Bell. What do you think this is?
Ice.
Zelda? Toilet Princess?
Which
oh, I
one?
can't. Oh, ice, you're right.
Ah, nice.
Fuck. Do I start? Oh my god.
We're gonna start dying any second now.
Come on.
Ooh.
Boing. Boing.
The Twilight
more.
Bell is this way.
No.
Oh, a heart.
Heart.
What is this? Oh, I can blow it up.
Yes, you can.
Take that.
Shmoney.
Monies.
The Twilight Bell.
Yeah, I know all about the Twilight. That was weird.
Yay. Blow it up. Oh, there's more hearts too.
Oh, excellent. Let's blow this shit up. And then let's ride off to Yellow Island, I guess.
Yeah. Wow, this is a very big area to explore that I was not expecting.
Oh, dude.
Bird
is so
Pass
cool.
Fork.
Bird. That's what it said. Bird
Yeah.
Pass fork.
Yeah.
What if he doesn't want to pass the
The
fork?
birdhouse? This way.
What if he wants to pass the spoon? The
Yeah.
birdhouse.
Then
Oh my
what?
god.
Oh, wait.
Oh, okay, cables. I thought it was just like throwing us into the pit.
That's what it looked like at first. I was like, oh no.
There's a thing. Go all the way down. Perfect.
Nice.
Make sure you swing towards the path you want.
What?
What if we don't want the path we want?
Well, I didn't even get to like explore. What?
Make sure you swing
It's like
towards the
above
path
us,
you want.
I think.
No.
Jesus, what?
Left?
And then right?
I don't. Left? Right?
Oh, okay. This area is huge.
Okay, are there gonna be like bad guys on these?
I hope not.
We haven't even seen bad guys.
We haven't.
Serpentine bird.
There's a
Oh,
horn
there's
at
a
the
horn
top.
here that we need. Yeah, we need to blow. Do you see that?
Okay.
That marker on the screen?
I did. The one.
Yes.
Alright, let's fucking do that.
So that's the gimmick of this.
Scrolls!
Scrolls! Oh my god.
Oh, it just automatically does that.
Oh, instead of the regular one?
That is so cool.
That is convenient because you can charge it.
Can I break these? No.
Wall jump. Yeah.
That was weird. Oh, I guess it's because I used it too early. Take that! What? Take that! Take that! What is happening?
You're aiming wrong.
Are
I
you
don't know.
sure?
Or maybe you're not tall enough.
Yeah, maybe. Let's try it from up here. Whoa, or not. You fucking joker.
That was definitely the right angle. You just need to be on that. Oh yeah, we can do that.
We're getting too ahead of ourselves.
We are. We only just came back to this.
So I thought Bird Island would be more than just fucking scrolls.
You know,
Whatever.
it's got a bit of pizzazz.
Spiders.
I give Bird Island style
Something.
points personally. I mean, this is a pretty cool island.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. Where is the horn? Whoa! Whoa! I love
Sleep.
Bird Island. Oh! Whoa!
Oh my god.
Okay. It's just the one. We learned.
Was it just the one? I figured. Horn. Did you destroy that heart piece?
I think I collected it. Did I destroy it?
Out of one or the other. That beam attack is powerful.
Jimmy put in a tuba sound during that horn.
Yeah, Jimmy.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Appreciate you. Ooh, split path.
You've cleared Serpentine Bird Horn. What does that mean?
Was it not Bird Island?
I think we left Bird Island. We're like in Bird
Serpentine?
Cottage.
What?
God.
Hey, we're
did
good.
Nailed it.
Totally meant to do that.
Okay. So, is
So-
there like a new path?
Yeah, which way
Was
does
there
the
another
new one
path here
go?
to begin with?
Oh, to the right.
To the right.
Yeah, to the right.
the right.
To the right.
To the right.
Oh, going back the
Oh.
other way to the left.
Okay. Let's do that then.
Yeah, this is
Alright.
Bird Pass Fork.
Yeah, well, I mean, there wasn't much here. Oh, okay.
Wow.
This is so spirit tracky.
Yeah, I like it.
I actually just started replaying Spirit. Wait. Oh, I can't get off of that.
Oh, I absolutely adored Spirit Tracks.
Yeah, I don't understand why.
There's a treasure here? What do you mean? What do you mean you don't understand why?
I mean, replaying it, it was fun at the time. But like replaying it now, I'm just like, okay. It's a little tedious.
Yeah, it's a little linear, but you know,
What is happening? That was weird.
I enjoyed
I mean,
it.
it was still fun.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. But there are definitely points where I was just like, ugh,
game
why
design.
do I have to do this?
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure if I went back and played it recently, I'd think the same thing. But as a kid, you know, you just eggs.
I just needed to confirm that I could win things.
I love that.
This guy is so cute.
We're going to
He's
the
like a
birdhouse.
Foot locker. He's like a jockey.
He's like a 3-foot pharaoh.
A 3-foot pharaoh.
Yeah, something about his hat. You know, it looked like a pharaoh's hat.
You know, I see it.
Woo!
Were those boxes just floating?
We're going to visit that rooster guy from Looney Tunes. I don't remember his name. Red?
Red?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. His name was like, I want to say Al. That doesn't sound right.
It sounds similar though. Not similar, but
Why
it
are we
sounds
so dumb.
Where, you know,
Jimmy, prove how dumb we are. Well, thanks, Jimmy.
Alrighty. On the next one.
Destroy this box first, and then we'll end the episode.
And then we get to go to the other part of Bird Peak
On the
Fork.
next episode of A Hat in Time, we
Explore some more.
yeah.
Woo.